Hello, good afternoon. I'm Stella. Here I will explain about AD models. AD models have five stages, namely analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. In the analyze, there are divided into four, namely analyze performance, analyze students, analyze object concepts, principles and procedure of learning material, and analyze of learning objective. And analyze performance will starting to appear basic problem faced in student learning. And then analyze students based on their knowledge, skill, and development. This analysis aims to determine the level of diverse student abilities. The result of student analysis regarding critical and creative thinking skill can be used as an illustration in develop teaching material in learning. And analyze of fact, concepts, principle, and procedures of learning material is a form of identification of the material to be relevant to the development of teaching material in learning. In this stage, the analysis is carried out with the literature study method. The purpose of fact analysis, the concept, principle, and procedure of learning material are to identify the main part of the material that will be took and arranged systematically. Analysis of learning objective is a necessary step to determine abilities or competence that students need to have. At this stage, how many points need to be earned include the first, learning objective that have been determined, the second, achievement of learning objective. Therefore, this stage can be used as a reference for develop teaching materials in learning. In the design, there are 5 activities. Number 1, preparation of teaching material in learning contextual by review core competence and basic competence to determine learning materials based on fact, concept, principle, and procedure, allocation of learning time, indicators, and student assessment instrument. And number 2, design learning scenarios or teaching and learning activities with a learning approach. And number 3, selection of competence teaching material. Number 5, integral planning of learning tools that based on subject competence. And number 5, design learning material and learning evaluation tools with a learning approach. And development in the AD model contains activities for the relations of product design. In this case are teaching materials. Development steps in this research include create and modify teaching material. In design stage, conceptual framework from the development of teaching material has been prepared. In the development stage, the conceptual framework is released in the form of material development product, teaching material that are ready to be implemented in accordance with the objective in text step to develop teaching material. There are two objectives important things that need to be active include number one, product or research teaching material that will be used for teaching and learning activities, achieve the learning objective that have been formal. Number two, cost the best teaching material that will be used to achieve learning objective. Implementation. At the implementation stage, in this research are stages to the implementation, the design of teaching materials that have developed in real situation in the classroom. During implementation, the design of teaching material that have been developed is applied to actual conditions. Theory, the teaching materials that have been developed are delivered in accordance with the learning after being applied in the form of activities learning in then carried out an initial evaluation to provide feedback on the application of material development. Teach next, the main objective in the implementation step among others, number one, guiding students to achieve goals learning. Number two, ensure the occurrence or problem solve the overcome to problem firstly faced by student in the learning process. And number two, ensure that at end of the lesson student abilities increase. Evaluation. Evaluation is the last step of the AD learning system design model. Evaluation is a process that carried out to provide value to the development teaching material in learning. Evaluation is carried out into the forms are formative evaluation and summative evaluation. One of the learning system design model that take place the basic learning stages of system design that are simple and easy to learn is the AD model. My experience model when use AD models is very complete. We will know the need of students when learning and the advantage of the flow of the AD model, namely the evaluation at each stage or as so minimize the error rate or product source tag at the final stage of this model. The first time using the AD model is amazing but astonishing. When we study carefully, it will be easier. Enough of my explanation, and thank you so much.